Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today on this DIY. I am going to do a mirror that is a mosaic tile wall mirror. And basically, I went to Hobby Lobby and they have their clearances on their tile, and they are $1.25 for these tiles. So I hauled the pink and the gray. Absolutely love the gray. So what I did, I took a foam board and I cut out I placed the mirror onto the foam board, and then I measure as far as the size of the tile. And of course, every tile will be different. I mean, it's just what it is. They're not going to be the same. But I took the largest piece of tile and I just measured it out, and you can see I took my pencil and drew it so that I have an outline to where the tile is. Then I went ahead and glued the tile down so that my mirror will definitely be in the same place. So guys, what you'll need for this project is your scissors, your razor, a pencil, a glue gun, glue sticks, and you will need lots of glue sticks. You will need the tiles, and even if they're not on sale, you can use a coupon, but these are on clearance for $1.25. And you'll need a foam board, a Dollar Tree mirror. I already had these tile mirrors, so that's what I'm using. And we can get started. Alright, once you've got the foam board cut out to the size of the mirror, make sure you measure it where it's about an inch further out from the mirror so your tile will fit. And what I want to do every other tile. So I'm going to go with the pink. I want to lay my glue down onto the mirror. Some onto the back of the tile. And I want to line them up. Excuse me guys, I'm still struggling with this cold. Well, not the cold, but the cough. And I'm going to try my best to keep them close. I'm going to go ahead and lay out these tiles, and as soon as I'm finished with this, I'll come back and show you where I am. Okay guys, so I basically laid out my stones so that I can have an idea of where I want everything to go. And so now I will go back, pick up my tile, lay my glue, and place them where I want them to be. Down onto the mirror. I'm going to do that for every single tile, so this is definitely going to take a while. So, excuse me, it's not hard, it's just tedious. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm finished with gluing all the mosaic stones onto the foam board, and as I was finishing, I noticed the white, and I don't want to have white stone. So I'm thinking, because of the silver, because of the gray, I definitely want to add some silver. So I'm going to go ahead, lay my glue down onto the foam board and onto the tile, and add some beads. Be generous with your glue. And just add it. So I'm going to go ahead, finish this all the way around. I just wanted to show it to you guys so you see what I'm doing. Just follow along, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went around with the beads like I mentioned, and then I decided I wanted to take it even further and outline the rest of the mirror. So I decided not to do this side so that I can do it with you guys. So what I want to do is lay my glue down onto the mirror. Don't go all the way, just go slowly, because you don't want your glue to dry. On the mirror, lay your beads down. So you're basically outlining this mirror. Use your scissors and trim where you need to. Follow the same process. Lay your glue down onto your mirror. Take the rest of your beads, attach it to the other side of the beads, and just take it right across. Guys, if you want this permanent, of course you can use the E6000, or you can use I can't say permanent. Let's not say permanent. If you want this to last longer, use your E6000 or your Gorilla Glue. That would be a fair statement. Okay, so before I show you this, I want to recap. You will need to have your mosaic tile, and I chose 2 colors. You can choose whatever color you want, and those were $1.25. Then you will need a foam board from the Dollar Tree. Then you'll also need a mirror from the Dollar Tree, and some of the beads from the Dollar Tree. They are found in the children's department. You will also need some glue sticks and your glue gun. And guys, after that, this is what you will end up with. Now, I can't tell you that I'm going to put it on the wall, because honestly, I do not have any more wall space. I need to clean the mirror, and I possibly put it in my hallway, but I absolutely love the way that turned out. I hope you guys can see it. Please excuse the fact that my mirror is not clean, but with some Windex and newspaper, the cobwebs will be all up and it will be clean and perfect. I love it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and your participation. I am so grateful for that. If you are not a subscriber, I hope that you will decide to become a subscriber and check out some of my other videos when you can. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on my next DIY tomorrow.